This is my go-to breakfast or dessert on a GLP-1. You have 33 grams of protein in this meal, and it's also super easy to reach for. So what we're making today is chia seed pudding. We're making my two favorite variations, which is a vanilla chia seed pudding and a chocolate chia seed pudding. What I like to do for my weekly ritual, I make my chia seed pudding on Sundays and Wednesdays. They last about 3 days in the fridge, so it's a great meal prep option. Sundays, I get all my containers out, bake my chia seed pudding. I can reach for it every morning. Here's the ingredients. This is all you need. I use maple syrup to sweeten. You can use whatever sweetener you prefer. I have my vanilla extract, my cocoa powder, milk of choice, chia seeds, the star of the show, and protein powder. It's kind of this fun assembly line. So I'm gonna take off my lids. You can put on your music, put on a podcast while you're doing this. You start with your chia seeds. You can always look this up, but it's going to be 1/4 cup milk to each tablespoon of chia seeds. There's plenty of resources online. So that ratio I gave you, that's the common ratio. For a serving size, which is that 33 grams of protein, I like to do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which is gonna be 1/2 cup of milk. So you wanna do 2 tablespoons, put those right in there. That's all, we move on to the next ingredient. This is my vanilla, this is my chocolate. Next, I'm gonna add the cocoa powder to the chocolate, and I'm just gonna do 1/2 teaspoon. You really just wanna do whatever you prefer. If you want it more chocolatey, you can add more. If you haven't had cocoa powder before, this is not sweet. It's just gonna give it that chocolate flavor. So I have my cocoa powder in my chocolate container. I'm gonna put my vanilla extract in my vanilla container. I also eyeballed this. Just a little splash. You never want to do too much vanilla extract. It'll give you a really alcohol-y taste. Next, we're gonna do protein powder, whatever protein powder of your choice. For your protein powder, you just want to read the label on the back, and I do 1 serving size, so that's just 1 scoop. They have a scoop in here for you. If you're just starting your GLP-1 journey, or you've been on it for a while, and you're still kind of figuring out what recipes should I do, protein is gonna be your best friend. The cocoa powder and the vanilla, those are the only differentiating aspects of these recipes. Now we're gonna be doing the same ingredients throughout. Now you're doing your sweetener of choice, and I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon. Last step is your milk. Again, 1/2 cup. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Now you wanna kind of whisk this up, so I use a fork. I start with my vanilla and work over to my chocolate so I don't mix the cocoa powder in. And you just wanna mix it up really well until everything's combined. So after this, we put the lids on, and I just like to give it another shake. I love a mason jar. What we're gonna do now is put these in the fridge. I like to check on them in 1 to 2 hours, shake them again, and then keep them in the fridge overnight. I like to do strawberries on my chocolate, and it just tastes like the best dessert. And it's amazing that it's this healthy breakfast option. So when I am having this chocolate chia seed pudding as dessert, I add this coconut Cool Whip. You can either keep this coconut Cool Whip in the refrigerator or the freezer. It didn't have enough time in the freezer, but that's actually how I favor it. It almost has like an ice cream texture, and then it melts over the chia seeds. So here's our chocolate chia seed pudding, all finished. We have our layer of chia seeds, we have our coconut Cool Whip, and we have our strawberries on top. Let's move on to the vanilla, and then we're gonna do a taste test. I top my vanilla chia seed pudding with mango and coconut. This is how I like to chop up my mango, almost like an avocado. And then it's pretty fun. You just pop it out, and you have all these mango pieces, and you can cut it with your knife. And then you have these perfect little mango squares. And now we can just put those mango cubes on top. The last thing I like to do is put some coconut flakes on here, but these are my preferred toppings. This is the final vanilla chia seed pudding. We have our vanilla chia seeds, we have our mango, and we have our coconut flakes. Now it's time to taste. I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna go grab someone to give it a try. Okay, now we have Connor here. He's gonna try the vanilla. This is actually my favorite. This is like my go-to breakfast.
Excellent. Okay, let's try it.
Same thing, 33 grams of protein. You have your chia seeds, your mango, and I top it with some coconut. Yeah?
It's actually really good.
Isn't that really good?
I like that a lot.
Well, he's gonna eat the whole thing.
It's really good. I feel like this would be like a great post-workout snack.
Great
like a little treat.
post-workout, yeah, totally. Cool.
Fantastic.
Good.